Hello children, Sai Ram. Welcome to Value Education class. Children, today we are going to read an interesting story, that is chapter 13, Gopal and the cowherd boy. What do you mean by cowherd? A person who tends grazing cattle. Okay, so now let us start reading. Chapter 13, Gopal and the cowherd boy. Gopal was a small boy who lived in a village with his mother. His father died before his birth. His mother was an ardent devotee of Lord Krishna. She used to narrate stories of Lord Krishna to her son. Children, what is the meaning of ardent? Ardent means true. His mother was a true devotee of Lord Krishna. She used to narrate stories of Lord Krishna to her son. One day, it's time my Gopal starts going to school. I must spin and sell as much yarn as I can so that Gopal can go to school. Gopal's mother collected as much money as she could and admitted him to school. Bye-bye. I am going to school, said Gopal. Follow the path in the forest. Don't lose your way, said mother. It is so frightening here in the forest. Have I lost my way? At last he reached the school. He had a good time at school. At night, Gopal slept. Mother said, "Oh God, please protect us. I know you will protect Gopal." In the morning, "Wake up, little one. It is time to go to school," said mother. "I don't want to go to school," said Gopal. "Will you go if someone takes you?" asked mother. "Yes. Will you come with me?" asked Gopal. "I won't be able to come, but your brother Govinda will. He is a cowherd and grazes his cow in the forest," said mother. "My brother? Okay, then I will go to school," said Gopal. On the way, "Where are you? Come quickly, brother. I am afraid." The next moment, "Here I am, Gopal. Come, I will reach you to school," said Govinda. "Will you come back in the evening to take me home?" asked Gopal. "I will." And this went on for many days. One day at school, let us see what happens. "Have you heard? Our teacher is going to give a feast tomorrow." Children, what do you mean by feast? A meal that is well prepared and greatly enjoyed. Have you heard? Our teacher is going to give a meal tomorrow. We should all give him gifts. "Gopal, what are you going to bring for him?" asked one of his friends. "I don't know. I will have to ask my mother," replied Gopal. That evening at home. "Why are you looking so dejected, my boy?" Dejected. Children, the meaning of dejected is unhappy. Why are you looking so unhappy, my boy? Asked mother. Our teacher is going to give a feast tomorrow. All the children are going to give him gifts. What shall I give him? Asked Gopal. We have nothing at all. What shall I give him? Thinks mother. My child, ask your brother. He will help you, said mother. Yes, mother. Brother will definitely give a good gift. Brother, my teacher is giving a feast today. Please give a gift for him. Let's see what Govinda gives. Here, Gopal, this is the best I can give you, a pot full of curd. At school, the children offered gifts one by one. When Gopal's turn came, teacher took the pot coldly. Seeing Gopal in tears, teacher said, Thank you, my child. This curd looks tasty. The curd was served at feast. Everyone ate with relish, but the pot was still full. The teacher asked, Gopal, who gave you this pot of curd? Gopal replied, My brother in the forest, sir. He is a cowherd. He wears a golden crown with a peacock feather and plays the flute. Can you take me to the forest and show me your brother? Asked the teacher. Yes, sir, said Gopal. In the forest. Brother Govinda, if you won't come, I will be called a liar, said Gopal. Suddenly, a low and loving voice was heard. I am here. I am visible only to the pure and faithful and to those who love me deeply, said Govinda. Amused and shaken, the teacher walked back to school with Gopal. Because of you, my child, we have partaken the curds from the very hands of the Lord. Children, what do you mean by partaken? Partaken means consumed. Because of you, my child, we have consumed the curds from the very hands of the Lord, said the teacher. So children, here we come to the end of the story. Let us see the moral. Moral of the story is sincerity, devotion and faith are extremely benevolent. And remember, only a pure heart can be content by Bhagwan's darshan, said by Sri Tarama. So, here we come to the end of the chapter. So, children, you are going to read the entire story. And also, you have to answer the questions which are there at the end of the story. And then, we have an activity. Okay, it is activity time. So children, even this you have to complete it. Okay, until then, do take care of yourself and goodbye.